Do you know Freepik? This website will provide you with all the images you need in one place. All you have to do is enter freepik.com. And on the main page you will have these options. Click on Vectors. And you can find a fairly extensive list of vectors that you can use. Now you can choose any of them and enter to look at each vector. Click on the one you are interested in and on the right side click on Download. And then download for free. There you will quickly get your download. You can also follow this author. But for this you must create your account. Go back to the main page and now choose Illustrations. And you can repeat the same step. Also Photos templates, social networks, mockups, backgrounds, and logos. You can also find free PSD photos for free. And in categories an ordered list of each tool you have at hand in PSD. You can see a menu on the left page and you can see filters and also choose category, color, user license, orientation, quick editing, Freepiks and date of publication. You can also find the company's projects, tools, apps, and website. In Freepik you can have at hand easy to use and very creative tools for your content.